Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez, and in today's video I'll be trying to recreate a plate that I saw while I was shopping, as you do, in TK Maxx. I love that plate so much, and I thought, hey, that's gonna look mint on a nail, so we've got to do it, right? Let's get cracking. Right, so to start this design, I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of Cerise Black. I'm going to apply it evenly, and Cerise Black is quite opaque anyway, so I'm going to be okay just applying one layer for this design. We're also going to be using a cat eye gel polish on top, so that's exciting.
Ooh, consider me excited.
So, Cerise Black on, let it just self-level for a few seconds, and I'll pop it into the lamp. So we've got our layer cured, and I'm going to be using for this design a color called Steampunk. I like the name.
Yeah, me too.
And it's a gorgeous color as well, guys. Quite autumny as well, right? I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of this all over the nail. I think that, you know, cat eye works so good on black background. So I'm going to apply that nice and even. And then I'm going to have a play with my magnet, as you do, without dropping
Get it out.
It's
Stuck to everything.
Okie dokie. It's not letting go. Okay. So I'm going to go with the magnet and just kind of push the particles away from the edges. So the edges are slightly darker than the rest of the nail, just like so. Magical, right? Just like this. I love it. I'm going to pop this into the lamp and we'll carry on. Right, so I've got this layer over here cured. I want to add a little bit of green on the edges because that's what the plate had on. So I'm going to just apply a little bit on my palette. Now this color is called Aurora Australis. I think we've used it before and I couldn't say the name. Is it Australis? It is Australis. Tell me it is.
Australis, yeah.
Australis. Yeah, so, you know.
That'd be my best bet anyway. I think you were right.
I'm going to, it is a cat eye gel polish, but I like the color of it, so I'm not going to use it with the magnet. I'm just going to take my ombre brush and literally just have a tiny bit on the top of the nail and just kind of blend it inwards just to give it a bit of a tint. It's got this beautiful shimmer to it and it just looks so good, honestly. Look, how nice is that, right? They go so well. I mean, well done TK Maxx for the color combo.
Find some gems in TK
I know.
Maxx.
Let me just pull some of it in. Wow, I'm loving this nail already and it's not even done. So beautiful. Gonna literally pull it slightly inwards. This is a piece of art. Right, so I love how it looks now. Look at this.
Oh yeah, gorgeous.
Beautiful. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp and then we'll carry on with our design. Right, so we've got this stunning nail. Honestly, I would just have it like this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful. It gives me proper fall and Halloween vibes, you know? So I'm going in with my Urban Graffiti top coat and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that just to seal in this background before we start adding our abstract design on. I'm going to pop this into the lamp. Right, so I'm going to apply a stunning color called Stormwatch, which is a beautiful kind of concrete gray, I would say, and apply that on my palette. And I'm also going to be using an acrylic to sugar the design. And this one is called Dark Side. Oh, you would remember. It's a bit of a...
Star Wars fan.
Yeah, not a bit.
All right. Nerd alert.
Right, so I'm going to go in with my detailing brush, and I'm going to just try and replicate the swirls on top of the nail. So I'm going ahead and just painting that pattern on top of the nail. I really, really hope this turns out as well as the plate looks. So I'm just pulling line through. It kind of looks a little bit like a zebra print, but it's not.
Yeah, it's definitely zebra inspired though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Zebra.
I love it how every time I describe something, I'm like, it's just like this, but it's not.
Yeah, yeah. It's exactly the same.
But it's not. You have to work slightly fast with this because we are working on a shiny background, and the color will start sliding or moving. So bear that in mind. Just adding on a little bit of lines where I feel like the color has started to slide slightly. And now I'm going to go ahead and take that powder and just sugar it on top of the gel polish. And try and not to drop it like everything else that I did today.
You always want to go in with plenty, don't you?
You have to, because if your gel underneath is slightly shiny in a few surfaces, that means that it's not the right consistency and it won't look as textured. Just going in, just make sure you have like something underneath, so you don't waste the acrylic really. So I'm gonna just pat off the excess and I'm gonna pop it into the lamp for a full cure. Right, so we've got this cured. I'm going to go in with a dusting brush, which is not on my table. I'm gonna just dust the acrylic away real good. Oh wow, look at this.
That looks cool.
That looks insane. If I do so say myself, oh no, it looks good. It looks good. I did think, no, I thought I did, but I didn't. Right, I dusted it off, and that's the final look. Listen, if you could see the plate right now.
I'll pop it up on the screen.
Yes, I mean, I think I've done quite a good job of trying to replicate it. No?
Yeah.
I think it looks insane. And the color combo, honestly, I would never think about that.
No,
would you?
No,
it's not
never.
something that you would do. Just, I don't think, maybe I wouldn't think about it, but I think I love it. So I think I'm gonna, oh, sorry, I'm so in love. It is beautiful. It's definitely my kind of nail, 100%. But yeah, I mean, if you've seen any other plates that look super cool and you want me to recreate, feel free to pop down a comment below. And yeah, as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.